Who makes the best enduro bikes? While there are many great enduro motorcycle manufacturers on the market, KTM tops the list of best enduro motorcycle brands, with Yamaha, Husqvarna and Honda hot on their heels. What is the difference between dual sport and enduro? Enduro bikes are smaller, lighter and more adapted to high speeds on rough terrain. Enduro bikes are capable of multiple disciplines from rallying and enduro racing to riding on technical terrain. Dual sport bikes, on the other hand, are larger, heavier bikes designed for both off-road and on-road use. What size enduro bike should I get? The size of the enduro bike you buy depends on several factors, especially your experience level, weight and height. It is generally recommended that beginners choose an enduro bike between 250cc to 350cc. A 450cc enduro bike might be too powerful for a beginner, and trust us, a 250cc dirt bike has plenty of bite. On the other hand, some of the 450cc enduro bikes, like Honda's CRF line, are known for stability and reliability, so when all is said and done, go with what you like. Are enduro bikes reliable? The answer is a resounding yes. Enduro bikes are not only reliable but also durable and can withstand extreme conditions. KTM's may be a little more capricious than the more reliable Hondas and Yamahas, but dirt bikes are generally meant to be abused, and they stand up to that abuse. Use the enduro that suits you with all this information at your fingertips. What are the deciding factors that will determine the type of enduro bike you choose? We all have our own reasons for wanting an enduro bike. Something as simple as seat height can prove to be very important in a purchasing decision. Your body type, purpose and how difficult your ride will be are some of the things to consider. Whatever type of enduro bike you buy, keep in mind the maintenance tips we've discussed here. And, as always, be safe out there. Honda CRF450RL Best Enduro Motorcycles. Almost every manufacturer offers enduro bikes, but the best enduro bikes usually carry the names of KTM, Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki and Husqvarna. New players on the scene include Gas and Beta. With so many different types and brands of enduro bikes on the market, finding the right one can be a challenging task. If you don't know where to start when looking to buy an enduro bike, we've got you covered. This part highlights the best enduro bikes on the market in 2022. Our top picks for these enduro bikes are based on broad criteria such as power, speed, tank capacity, transmission, starter type and weight. Let's dive right in. Monomoto's top picks for the best enduro motorcycle 2022 Honda CRF450RL. The Honda Enduro CRF450RL is an enduro motorcycle that uses the CRF450R Motorcross platform. The engine modification of these Honda Enduro dirt bikes has a specific crankshaft that adds inertia and enhances low RPM torque. Honda CRF450RF three-piston ring engine also increases durability. It has a wide frame which enhances a 6-speed transmission. The 6-speed engine enhances the bike's wider gear spacing that benefits both low-speed abilities and a tall 6th gear for long high-speed stretches. This enduro motorcycle has a 2-gallon titanium fuel tank that is 20% larger than the R model. This enduro motorcycle is on our list because of its durability. Curb weight: 291 pounds. Valve train: Unicam OHC, 4-valve displacement, 449.7 cc. Final drive: number 520. Sealed chain: 13T, 51T. Starter: full transistorized tank capacity, 2.0 gallons. Transmission: 6-speed. Wide ratio, manual wheelbase, 58.9 inches. Fuel system: injection cooling system, liquid seat height, 37.2 inches. Engine type: single cylinder, 4-stroke clutch, multi-plate wet, 6 springs. Color options: red. Price: $9,999.